Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Thank you guys for tuning in today. Today's video is on how to remove cracked heels, and basically this can be caused by dry hair, lack of moisturizing, improper foot care, and even unhealthy diets. Today's video I'm going to show you guys how to treat a cracked heels. Very easy. Please, if you haven't subscribed, click the subscribe button below and subscribe. Give this video a big thumbs up and share this to your family and friends. So yeah, let's get into the video. First, you need a pedicure bath or any bath you have at home. Even a bucket will do. Lukewarm water, not too hot, not too cold. Dettol, corn foot remover. You will also need two pedicure files, the rough one and the soft one, buffer. You can either use a razor or this, cuticle softener and remover, cuticle turmeric and ginger salt spa, shampoo, towel, a very clean towel, shea butter. In Nigeria, this particular one is called, the one I used in this video is called Ori. I got all these products from Wuse Market, Abuja, Nigeria. They do not ship outside the country, they even deliver within the country, but you can use any soap of your choice. It's okay. The most important is the soap, the pedicure files, turmeric and ginger salt spa, and shea butter can be gotten from anywhere, but I will try as much as possible to look for a site where it can be easily ordered from. In this video, the pedicure bath refused to bubble. Some days are like that. Anyways, it won't stop us from doing what we want to do, right? Before placing the feet in the water, add some drop of corn foot remover, Dettol, shampoo, and then apply some product of cuticle softener and remover on the toes. Place the feet in the water and allow for 20 minutes. This will help the cracked heels to soften and also make it much easy to work with. When it's soft enough, use a razor or the razor holder to remove the cracked heels. For the razor, try to hold it exactly the way she's holding it so it won't injure the client, or better still, if you are finding it difficult to use the razor, you can get the razor holder. It is much easier to work with. Do this a couple of times, but do not allow the feet to dry up while doing it. Always dip the feet in the water whenever you notice dryness, and continue removing the cracked feet until it's soft enough. Note that this method is only done on cracked feet, not on every feet. If you are using the razor method, you really have to be very careful. Like I always say, practice makes perfect, so keep practicing until you are perfect to work on clients' feet with razor. After removing the cracked feet, you use the pedicure file, the rough one, to file the leg, and you have to continue doing this until when you notice that the feet is actually really soft. After that, use a cuticle to remove all the rough parts of the nails and the dirt. Before using the second pedicure file, that's the smooth one, apply tamarind spa salt just to help smoothen the leg.
In the sky, gazing far into the night, I raise my hand to the fire, but it's no use, 'cause you can't stop it from shining through. It's true.
After that, rinse the leg and then apply turmeric and ginger salt spa. Use either your hands or a brush to scrub the front part of the leg. Use a brush if the client's leg is hard or skin is hard. Then rinse and dry with a very clean towel and apply shea butter. This is a local shea butter, but in Nigeria we call it ori. It gives the feet moisture. So yeah, we are done. Have it at the back of your mind that to avoid cracked feet, you always have to moisturize your feet, like using shea butter, coconut oil, etc., and care for your feet because it's part of your body. Always try to eat healthy food and drink enough water because it also helps. Thank you guys so much for watching this video to the end, and don't forget to subscribe if you haven't. Like, comment, we'd like to see your comments, share this video to friends and family. I'll talk to you guys later. Bye.